As a temporary measure, although my temporary measures tend to last for years, um, if you do find yourself with your ignition knackered, some garage will drop acid down inside it to melt the wires so you can go and charge your money to replace it. If, however, your ignition does get shagged and you don't have the money or you can't get it replaced, what you can do, take out the wires from the bottom. First of all, if your steering lock's on, all you got to do is wrench the handlebar down. That will snap the steering lock. If your ignition is knackered, or if you can't get it fixed or replaced, take out the wires in the bottom of the ignition. Get yourself a cheap switch from a DIY shop. I just use a light switch. Put it somewhere where it's not going to get rained on and use that. Just wire it straight in like a light switch and it works for your ignition. It's not like a car where the key starts the bike. The key is just an off-on circuit breaker. That is all the wires do. So a light switch will do the same job.